$7.4 million did not come from trading. It grew from launching the right coins at the right time. If you want the strategy behind it, keep watching, you will not regret it. Now back in the day, bro, I used to be a full-time meme coin trader, bro. I was low-key printing a bit of money every single day. But I stopped to dev meme coins. Why? Because every single time I hopped into a chart and I bought in, well, guess what happened, bro? I lost all my money, and that's when I realized the people winning are not holding bags, they're actually launching the projects themselves. That's how you make money in this space and not lose anything, okay? Because launching gives you full power and zero downside. Creating coins costs literally $0, okay? And basically all we're doing is creating coins, waiting for buyers, and then dumping for a bit of profits, or sometimes for a lot and lots of profits, okay? And in today's video, bro, I will show you exactly step by step on how to make a meme coin on the Solana blockchain or BNB, right? And then obviously turn $0 into like 1.5k or some shit, and just do that over and over again. Because yes, deving coins is fully repeatable. The best devs are the ones who are creating coins every single hour and just being consistent. Anyways, keep watching. Now obviously, bro, everything into this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It's all fake, it's all AI, so please do not copy me. Now a lot of people, when they switch from trading crypto meme coins to actually launching them, they go to Pump.Fun because they think that Pump.Fun is the way to make meme coins and to profit. Now there's actually a huge mistake. Pump.Fun is chaos, which means there's too many drops and not enough visibility. If you launch a meme coin right here, okay, you will not get any visibility because your coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to be migrated onto the Rhythm DEX. That takes too much time, too much effort, and yeah, bro, it's just bad. And on top of that, you do not control your own liquidity. So for example, if you make a meme coin and let's say 100 people buy your coin and you were $2,000 in profits, well, you cannot cash out that money because you do not own the liquidity pool, okay? So that's exactly why I switched to create coins.io. It's simply the better option, okay? Create coins.io gives you instant random access, which means it will be immediately graduated right here and shown to a bunch of trenchers right away, so you get real exposure. That's why a bunch of devs are coming to create coins, because it's simply the better launchpad and the fastest and the most profitable. Obviously, bro, I'm just yapping, but you guys will see with a live example. Now obviously, bro, let me show you how to make a meme coin on this website. Now you have two different ways to make a meme coin, and it's all up to you, bro. I would highly recommend the second method though, you guys will see why. But anyways, the first method is to create a coin from scratch. So you have to make a meme coin by creating a name, symbol, and image. Now go on Google and type in news and look for articles to make meme coins on, right? Some people go on X and they look for, some people go on X and they look for narratives to make meme coins, right? Like Elon Musk tweets, Trump tweets, just anything, right? Now once you have a good narrative, come back to create coins, invent a name, add a quick symbol, then add a quick image, and then you're done. But the second method, like I said, is the better path. It's more profitable, it's faster, and that's by copying trending coins that are already working on Pump.Fun. Now, all these coins, okay, on this list are all already going viral, they're already hot, and they are buzzing. Your job is to copy one from here, or all of them, or a couple of them, and just ride the existing hype and make money off of it. Now, yes, bro, a bunch of people are going to start buying your coin if you copy them because they're proven to go viral. That's why I love copying coins. Alright, let's get straight into it. I'm going to dev a coin live so you can see how fast and simple the whole process really is. And obviously, bro, by the end of the video, we are going to see how much we make off of copying a coin. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected just like this. Then click on the refresh this button and let's look for a coin to copy. I'm not gonna lie, bro, I'm just going to choose a random one, so pity. It has a last buy a second ago and 6 replies, so click on create coin. Ignore the block, okay, it's completely normal. Proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created. or copied. It's the same thing. And boom, if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that we are now live. Everything is legit. Everything works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step is easy. We're just adding liquidity. This is what makes your token go live on Radium so people can instantly buy or sell, your coin the moment it's created through your own liquidity pool. This, okay, is what Pump.Fun doesn't give you guys the option to create for yourself. Now for the token A, just make sure you tap the middle button right here, which is 90%. That is basically going to drop 900 million tokens for the public, and you are keeping 100 million tokens, which is like 10% of the supply to yourself. And right under for the amount token B, this is basically your first buy on your own chart. You are not losing any SOL. It is simply locking the pool up so the market can open for you and for everyone. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you remove the liquidity later, every bit of that SOL comes right back to your wallet. Because you are the owner of the coin, you will get this back by the end. I'm going to put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe. Click on create pool, and then in the block, proceed confirm, I understand confirm. When that is done, make sure to click on the refresh button down below, scroll down, and boom, the P coin is on live. Our PNL, which is profit/loss, is right here at $0. Now, if you click on the refresh button, you guys will see that this is going to go up potentially. Boom, we are up $145, which is like a whole SOL. That is actually insane. Okay, it's proof that copying coins work. Anyways, click on view on Photon to see the chart or on any trading platform you have. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our meme coin. Let's fucking go, come on. And now it's live, bro. 25 bucks right here, 70 bucks. Things are looking good. 1k market cap, 1k liquidity. Okay, $31 right here just went inside our wallet. Come on, fucking pump. I want my fucking money, bro. Come on. But yeah, bro, even though it's going a bit down, we're still up money because of all the fees. We're making money off of the creator fees and off of our supply. Okay, so yeah, do not worry about it, bro. It is going to go up eventually because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin on chain, right? And that is how you get traction. Boom, 100 bucks right here, bro. I told you guys 150, bro. I told you guys, do not be worried about anything. It is going to go up. Now, obviously, bro, if you wait too long, it will die out. That's why you have to sell at the perfect moment. And yeah, bro, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and now we'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back and we are pushing a lot of fucking money, bro. You guys can see by the chart, it's going up and down, but now it's going up. We are at a 3.1k market cap, 1.5k liquidity. Before it goes down, let's make some money. Come back to createcoins.io. And obviously, bro, make sure to click on the refresh button to check your profits. And bang! We are up $1,700, which is like 500% with a 3.3k market cap. Now click on the minus button, do 100% if you want to remove all. Some people like to do like 20% at a time, but I just want to take out everything. Click on remove money, and then in your block, proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And boom! Bang! That's exactly how you dev meme coins. And obviously, bro, make some Solana on the side. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you guys can see exactly that I just received $1,700. Everything is legit, everything works, but yeah, bro, tap in before it's too late. Even though the market is down, we still made some money. Now, if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and obviously, bro, subscribe and join my free Telegram group down below and my free Discord, bro. Good luck.